Good morning, students. Today, we are going to cover an important topic which helps in determining future course of actions by business entities. Business, which is considered among the major players of economic growth of the country, is affected by number of factors. One among such factors includes social environment. Thus, within this context, this lecture talks about social environment and business operations. In order to understand this topic in a more comprehensive manner, a student should be equipped with prior knowledge related to following aspects: concept of business, types of business environment, elements of business environment, and impact of business environment on business operations. With an intent to ensure comprehensive knowledge about the topic, the lecture covers following aspects: concept of social environment, types of social environment, effect of social environment on business operations. Moreover, cases of Coca-Cola and Nokia will also be covered to provide practical insights about how social environment brought change in business operations of the two business giants, or how these two companies adapted themselves in accordance to the changing social environment. In our previous lectures, we covered the conceptual framework of business environment in detail. As such, the term business environment means the sum total of all institutional or individual and other forces that are outside the control of a business enterprise but that may affect its performance. On the basis of extent of impact on the firm, the environmental factors may be classified into different types or levels. It has also been mentioned earlier that since forces exist inside and outside the organization, therefore, these can be broadly classified as internal and external environment. Internal environment are those factors or conditions that exist within an organization and affects its performance. These factors are controllable in nature and organizations can try to change or modify these factors. These includes aspects like value system, missions and objectives, organizational structure, corporate culture, human resources, physical and financial facilities, etc. Environment, on the other hand, consists of those factors and conditions which are outside the organization and affect the performance of business. External factors are further divided into microenvironment and macroenvironment. Microenvironment, also known as task environment or operating environment, have a direct bearing on the operations of the firm and includes aspects like suppliers, customers, market intermediaries, competitors, public, etc. Macro environment, which is also known as general environment or remote environment is generally more uncontrollable than microenvironment factors, and the success of the company depends upon its adaptability to the environment, as this environment has a bearing on the strategies adopted by the firms, and any changes in the areas of macro environment are likely to have a far reaching impact on their operations. Macro environment includes aspects like economic environment, socio-cultural environment, political and legal environment, ecological environment, global environment, etc. Societal values and lifestyles change over time, and the most important of these, directly or indirectly, leave an impact on the business environment. For example, over the past generation, it has become acceptable for women to work. People are not retiring at the age of 60 or 65, and people are more aware of the natural environment, etc. The changes in cultural and lifestyle may come from various sources. These may include areas like medical, which includes smoking, healthy eating, exercises, aspects, etc. Sciences, which includes aspects like global warming, going green. People are also affected by economic aspects, which is related to people working for longer hours, presence of women in the workforce, cultural diversity like preferences to different kind of music, food, living accommodations, and technologies like use of biodegradable plastic, etc. These changes will be important to the industry and to the business. The social environment of business includes social factors like customs, traditions, values, beliefs, poverty, literacy, expectancy rate, etc. The social structure and the values that a society cherishes have a considerable influence on the functioning of the business firms. For example, during festive seasons, there is an increase in the demand for new clothes, sweets, etc. due to seasons. Similarly, due to increase in literacy rate, the consumers are becoming more conscious of the quality of the products. Moreover, due to change in family compositions, more nuclear families with single child concept has come up. This increases the demand for the different types of household goods. It may be noted that consumption patterns, the dressing, and the living style of people belonging to different social structures and culture vary significantly, and in order to fulfill the needs of the consumers, companies or businesses have to adapt themselves to these changing requirements. As we discussed in earlier lectures, that social environment consists of the sum total of society's beliefs, customs, practices, and behaviors. It is to a large extent an artificial construct that can be contrasted with the natural environment in which we all live. Every society constructs its own social environment. Some of the customs, beliefs, practices, and behaviors are similar across cultures and some are not. The social environment of a business can be integral to its success or failure. Employees are often influenced by the context in which they work, and this can have implications on productivity. Some effects of the social environment are easier to measure than others. Employers who take the necessary strides to create a positive and harmonious social environment in the workplace can set themselves up for the future success. Business operates in a society. This social environment created by a society at large in which a business functions can be referred to as its external social environment. If a business operates in a multicultural society, then the social external environment is more complicated because the environment will consist of diverse subpopulations with their own unique values, beliefs, and customs. In addition to this, large organizations are multi societies into themselves, and in such cases, businesses also have its own social environment. We can refer to this as internal social environment, which is simply the customs, beliefs, practices, and behaviors within the confines of the business. A business has much more control over its internal social environment than it does with its external social environment. Thus, when we talk about the social aspects, we focus upon the external societal forces. So, these could be family, friends, neighbors, colleagues, and even media. All these factors are able to affect our attitudes, our opinions, and our interests, thereby directly impacting product sales and services by businesses and revenues earned. No one can doubt upon the continuously changing nature of society. The tastes and fashions are a great examples of these changes. One of the most significant differences is the growing popularity of social media. Social networking sites like Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, etc. have become very popular among young people. The young consumers have also grown used to mobile phones and computers. The younger generation prefers use of digital technology to shop online. Other people, or older people especially, will perhaps stick to their traditional methods. Individuals are shaped by these social factors and the behavior. Even individuals' attitudes towards what he or she buy are also affected by these social factors. Similar to individuals, organizations are also directly affected by change in population. The structure of the population determines the way the supply and demand of goods and services can change. So, the decline in birth rate would mean that the demand will increase, thereby indicating high level of consumption and the total consumers goes down. Businesses choose an environmental analysis depending on the nature of operations. However, all of them study the social factors. In the social step or for these analyses, company has to look carefully at the social change. Company also has to look into the cultural changes which take place in the business environment. Market research is a critical part of this step. It is vital to see the trends and patterns of society. To understand the impact better, company might need to study the factors in detail. Most companies analyze population growth and age structure. They also at times show interest in consumer attitude and lifestyle changes. There are range of social factors which impacts customer needs and the size of the markets. And these social factors may include aspects like lifestyle, buying habits, education level, emphasis on safety, religion and beliefs, health consciousness, social classes, family size and structure, attitude towards green or ecological products, attitude towards saving and investing, immigration and emigration rates, age distribution and life expectancy rates, attitude towards imported products and services, attitude towards work, career, leisure and retirement, attitude towards customer service and product quality, etc. In order to succeed and capture the market share, it is required that the organizations should be able to offer products and services which aim to benefit people's lifestyle by complementing consumers' behavior. Not reacting to these changes in society can be a costly mistake. This might lead to lose in market share. Demand for their products and services may also see a steep fall. Thus, the products and services offered by business organizations should be tailor-made to suit consumers' lifestyle and complement their behavior. This is where social factor marketing is considered. One can easily find evidences supporting the view that social factors impact the beverage companies greatly. Coca-Cola has been one of the prominent examples in this regard, as it has been severely hampered by the changing scenario in social environment. The key reason behind this is perhaps that Coca-Cola is a non-alcoholic beverage and has to maintain strict differences in cultures around the world. It is essential for Coca-Cola that it communicates its image as a global brand to change people's perceptions. The company expects its buyers to be able to think of their drink as something which connects the world together. The social implications are visible in marketing campaigns most of the times. For example, the religious festivals featured in TV ads, etc., vary based on cultures. Coca-Cola has to value all the festivals in order to relate to their specific markets. Reacting to the social factor helped Coca Cola cash upon the opportunity by way of increased sales and increased market share. Another case reflecting impact of social environment change in business operations is regarding Nokia. Before Nokia was acquired by Microsoft, it was a dominant player in the Western market, and to hold that position, it was important for Nokia to fully understand the social factors in these markets. The main issue encountered by Nokia was the culture of the society. Nokia had to make efforts to keep its products updated in accordance to the buyer's requirements, as the buyers saw Nokia products as a fashion icon. Consumers are always seeking the best looking smartphones, as people tend to judge each other's fashion sense based on the choice of mobile phones. The rising trend in smartphones meant when buyers purchase new phones, they are less inclined towards standard mobile phones. The social trend shifted to buying of smartphones. Nokia's task was to be aware of these changes. Upon finding out, the company decided to channel most of its efforts in developing new smartphones with unique characteristics. The new phones would also compete with their rivals' products. This is how companies like Nokia keep up with the social trends of their consumers. To conclude, it can be said that though all the elements of external environment is important for determining future course of action of business organizations, social or socio-cultural environment is the one that holds importance because it is directly related to the consumers or prospective consumers that form part of society. Social environment or socio-cultural environment are required to be provided due consideration by businesses, as it helps in determining the type of product to be offered and various other related aspects. Successful analysis of socio-cultural environment and implementation of strategy thereof may result in success of the company. Herein are the few references which have been extensively used in order to compile this lecture, and students can refer these references for much more better and comprehensive understanding. Thank you and enjoy your day.